Hello, today we are going to look at how to delete a table. So after you have created your table, there's a command that you can use to delete the table. So let's look at the table that we created. So if you click on database structure, so there's a table that we have created called student. So you click on it, then you click on browse. You see that this is the table. These are the field or the attributes of the table. So if you want to delete this table that we have created, so you click on execute SQL. So when you come here to delete a table, the command is drop table, then the name of the table. So the table, this one, our table name is student. So you can copy it and come and put it here. So the command to delete a table is called drop. So you type drop table, then the name of the table. So let's execute this command. So you highlight it, then you click on this button. So if you want to check whether the table is still there, so you click on database structure. Then when you come here, you could see that the table, student table, is deleted. So let's create it again. So let's create on execute SQL. So let's run this command again. Then let's go to database structure. So our table is created. So if you select it and click on browse table, this is the table. So if you want to drop the table, that is, you want to remove or delete the table, so you can go and type the command drop table, then the name of the table. So let's run this command again. So you highlight it, then you click on execute all. So you click on it, then you click on database structure, then the table is deleted. So this is how to delete a table. So the command to delete a table is what? Is drop table, then you bring the name of the table. So if you run this command, it will remove the table from the database. Thank you.